Greetings, folks. Here is the weekly update for AP Chemistry 2 for the 19th of October. You'll watch and take notes for Chapter 4, Video 6. Click on this link and it'll take you to the YouTube page right here. You can find Video 6 right here. This is oxidation reduction reactions right here. A little bit longer one, but it's got lots and lots of detailed information examples in it. There is these problems that are assigned that are due, and then here's a redox and molarity worksheet. If you click on that, it's from AP1, and it has all the answers. Well, first of all, it has all the notes right here that are the oxidation reduction assigning numbers information, and then here's the worksheet itself. Here's the second part of the worksheet with the molarity problems, and then here's all the answers posted in there as well. So you can check your work as you go along. Make sure that you know what you're doing. Tuesday then, October 20th, is video 7. So going back to the YouTube page right here, video 7 right here. I believe this is molarity and concentration, some good mathematics. And there's a memory quiz for Group A on strong acids and bases. Join us, distance learners, for the quiz at 9:40 a.m. that day. And then here's the extra molarity worksheet once again, along with the 3 problems that are actually assigned. Wednesday then, there's a webex at 8:45 a.m. I encourage everyone to attend. I'll do a lecture on all the pieces from Chapter 4 thus far and preview the toughest thing that you've done so far this year, which is on Thursday, which is this video right here. The solution stoichiometry pieces and limiting reactants once again. And I suggest on this day that you start working on Thursday's pieces, which are these difficult and challenging problems right here that take a long time to work each part of each problem. There's a WebEx that day too. You can join during from 9:20 to approximately 10 o'clock to get some more info as well. Join in and get some information. Here's some extra problems right here. And then there is a quiz on Schoology that day due at midnight that has lots of difficult and challenging Chapter 4 problems. Happy Mold Day on that Friday. There's a practice test right here that you should work on, and then all problems are due that day and submit them on this document. Create a Google document, paste pictures of all of your problems inside of there. Make sure to share it with anyone in ISD 194 can view, and then submit your document on this form. So when you open this form, you put in your period number, last name, first name, and then paste your link right there for that document. Looking ahead then, notice that Monday is a review day, and on that Monday there's a video for you to watch that has the entire practice exam completed and explained. You'll have the period to do that, and then A group you test on Tuesday, B group you test on Thursday, DL make sure that you're available at 9 a.m. on Thursday, October 29th to take your tests during that day. That is the weekly overview.